Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store in iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iPhone or any iOS device like iPad, and when you try to download apps from your App Store and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And now scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now go back. From here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. And now guys, scroll it down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this, go back. From here guys, you need to click on screen time and click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And after this, go back. So guys, after doing all these settings, you need to open your App Store again and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then no need to worry, you have to open Apple Sport app. From here guys, you need to select your gadget, your iPhone that you are using, scroll it down, click on more, and after this you need to click on App Store. And guys, now you need to click on call, and you need to call at these numbers and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix to your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix your problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.